Hello guys, today we want to look at another interesting topic which you need to pay a very close attention to. This topic is called bearish engulf pattern. Look at it, it is represented by SL. We call it bearish engulf pattern. Anytime you come across it, you know that the next step of the candle or the next step of the market direction will be bearish, and that is why you have this. You can take a look at it. This is a very good example of a bearish engulf pattern. This is another good example of a bearish engulf pattern. This is another good of a bearish engulf pattern. Anytime you see such pattern, know quite well that the market is definitely going to be bearish. Take a look at this also here. You have it also. Just a bearish engulf pattern. You also have this also, just a bearish engulf pattern, and when it comes, definitely you should expect a bearish market. So how do we identify it? Yes, most time the bearish engulf pattern, just a pattern. Yeah, is a pattern. It signifies a bearish market. Or probably the market have been buying for a very long time, and then when you see it, expect the market to start selling, because when we say bearish simply means to sell. You sell off what you have, and that's what you see here again. To take a look at it also. Take a look at it also. These are what we call candle pattern or candle formation. They are all the same thing. It means the same language. Is that I call it candle pattern or candle formations. Look at it again here. It's also here SL, which means bearish engulf pattern. Take a look at it also. Why I'm taking my time to show you is tells you that the market will continue to go bearish. When you keep seeing them, that means the market will continue going bearish, and that is why we call it bearish engulf pattern. It's a very simple way to identify the market. Take a look at it here. It's also a market indicator. It's also a market indicator. But here we are talking about reading the candles, identifying the candles, showing how the candle works, and how do you identify a bearish engulf pattern. Take a look at this. It's also a bearish engulf pattern, and it is used to identify the pattern of formation of the forex market. And when you see it, definitely the market will keep going down all the way. Take a look at it here, telling you that next candle will be bearish. You also have it here also telling you that the next candle will be bearish, and so on and so forth. So the bearish engulf pattern tells you engulf pattern actually tells you the direction of the market, and that's why you are seeing it here. That's why you're also seeing it here, telling you that yes, the market is actually going to sell. Because when we talk about bearish is all about a selling market price, and the same thing goes here. So some of us, some traders actually perfect how to use candlestick without using other indicators or tools. They can actually hold on to this. There is also a bearish engulf pattern. This is a bearish engulf pattern telling you that the market formation or the current market scenario is a continuous bearish market. And here you also see it also is there all candlestick formation or forex trading pattern. So anyone at all, we call it either an bearish engulf pattern or bearish engulf formation. It means the same thing. So it tells you more about the candles and how you can trade profitably. Thank you very much.